that's trigger. There we go. There we go. I'm bringing them up here.
Oh, that's a trigger. That's a trigger fish. Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. During this Gulf Stream fishing trip, we caught a couple of trigger fish. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the fish and use this fish to try an Italian cuisine. It's called creamy Tuscan trigger fish. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. Triggerfish has some sharp, human-like teeth. I got a bite from this fish. Triggerfish's skin is so tough that you had to use a plier to remove it. After cleaning, let's fillet the fish. Marinate the fish with salt and pepper. Other ingredients include chopped onion, mushroom, garlic, and cherry tomatoes. In the hot cast iron skillet, add some oil and butter. Share the triggerfish fillet for about 90 seconds on each side. Add all the vegetables to the skillet and fry until they are golden brown. Add some grains at this time. Add half cup of white wine. Add a cup of heavy cream. Couple of teaspoons salt. While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare some pasta. Add fettuccine in the boiling water and start cooking for a few minutes. Add some Romano cheese on top of the sauce. Finally, add some seafood seasoning. This is a creamy Tuscan triggerfish over fettuccine. If you like this video, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.